Update. One of the baby birds just flew out, y'all. It was 4 of them, now it's 3. Flew right over there. I seen it. Now they ready. It's gonna be the next ones, y'all. They grew so fast. Look at it, y'all. So beautiful. I had to show y'all this, man. I seen them fly out, look right at me, and flew right on out. They ready to go. They ready to go, y'all. Got me in a Nike shoe. Just do it. Gave them a home. Beautiful. Tweet, 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 tweet. They see me right here above them. That's why they calm. I want the mom to peck me in the head. Go crazy.